We now know what we value as an individual and the importance of staying true to ourselves and honoring what we value the most. We know our weaknesses and our strengths. With this understanding, we have an idea of who we are as an individual. But who this individual becomes around others may be different depending on the group setting we are in. Whenever you show up in this world, it's important that you be intentional with how you show up in every space that you are in. Your ethical individuality is the core of who you truly are and should never be altered or changed because of the surrounding environment you are in. If you are someone who holds value in honesty, then you should always remain honest no matter who you are around. If you are someone who values respect, then disrespect shall never exude from you, even when you are being disrespected. Now, this does not mean you tolerate disrespect or dishonesty. Keep in mind that other people will not hold the same values as you, so you should never expect you out of other people. But you can always respectfully let people know that you will not tolerate disrespect or dishonesty, but never allow people outside of you to change your ethical character. People in this world could be cruel, mean, and intentionally trying to wreak havoc in your life. But you have to be intentional with never allowing anyone to take you out of your character. This will be difficult at first, but with practice, it becomes easier and easier. Being intentional with anything means that you are acting with purpose, thoughtfulness, and clarity about what you're doing and why. Your values and morals will act as your soul's compass when showing up in this world. It will help guide you with making choices, decisions, and how you behave and interact with others. Most people are on autopilot and is always on the go, which causes them to not be intentional with their behavior or interactions, creating enemies and disharmony between others. When you are being intentional, you have a goal or ideal in mind on what you want to accomplish or how you want to show up in this world. Allow your ethical individuality to show up for you. You know what that looks like and why it matters to you. With that, you become mindful of showing up as the individual. Try to be more present and take a moment to pause and think about your next choice or move, ensuring that it aligns with your ethical individuality. You can even go out your way to enforce your ethical individuality by saying, today, I want to find 3 homeless people to give money to, if your value is giving. Or even being intentional with saying hi to everyone who crosses your path if you are someone who values kindness. Identify things, situation, people, or places that causes resistance in you that is preventing you from showing up how you want. Identify what those things are and limit your interactions with them. If someone is making it difficult to be kind or respectful to them, then you have to be intentional with setting boundaries and not allowing them as much access to you. No matter who it is, always take a moment to reflect on how you did when you showed up in the world. Did you embody your values or your ethical individuality? If not, why? What can you do to ensure that you embody your ethical individuality? Always be intentional with how you show up in this world. With you being intentional, it makes it harder for the world to take over and control who you are. Never allow anyone to have that power over you. Take a moment to reflect about how you want to show up in the world and how you want others to perceive you. Now, this has nothing to do with people pleasing or getting others to like you, but it's about honoring who you are and being intentional with the interactions you hold with others that reflects your ethical individuality.